Hello guys, good morning. So today is the fifth day of quarantine and we decided to come up with a healthy, delicious dish pero with a twist this time. So today I'm gonna be making special chopseuy. This is my own version because there are a couple of ingredients that are not really being used in the traditional or normal chopseuy that they're cooking. So let me start first with the ingredients. So let me start first with the sauteing part. So I have here one whole garlic. I think I've mentioned before that I love garlics and onions. So this is going to be one whole garlic for each. And we have quarter chicken. This is the wings and thigh part. I mean wings and breast part. It's just a quarter. We have cabbage. Okay, this is just I think 3/4 of cabbage. We have broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and sayote. So I cut carrots this way because it looks good. And for this dish, we're gonna be using crab stick as well, and of course, oyster sour sauce, the garlic flavor, and salt and pepper. And this is where it changed. I am adding potatoes, not all of the chop suey dish has this, but I've mentioned for my previous video na I really like potatoes, so I'm gonna be adding it. And it's really a bomb. You might want to try it. It complements everything really. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start first with the sauteing part. So I'm gonna be putting here 2 tablespoons approximately of palm oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. And we're going to be putting our garlic once the oil is get hot. I'm going to be sauteing the garlic. Like this. And then next is the onion. By the way, these are semi-minced. They're not totally minced because the cooking process purify them. So you just have to mix well. Alright, so after that, you can add chicken already. Spread it around because we're like gonna be absorbing the flavor. Just be around everything. You can choose whatever chicken you want, by the way. And then let's cover this for 2 minutes. Ayan, good. Alright, so after 2 minutes, let's go and check the chicken. Let's just flip it over. If you guys are asking bakit or why am I not flipping this or mixing this, I want a toasted flavor of the onion being absorbed by the chicken. So I'm just gonna flip it over like that. And then leave it for another 2 minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, let's open it. And this is what I like. This look, the brownish thing. There, I can already mix it. So I'm just going to have it here, a good mix. Then I'm going to be adding the second ingredient. I'm going to be adding now our salt and pepper. So, nag-mix na siya. If it's too much pepper for you, you can actually minimize. I just like it with a lot of pepper, so you can minimize that. Next is I will be adding just 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or 1.5 would do. I just and then have it a good mix. And then we will be adding 1 cup of water. So let's just wait for 1 minute to 2 minutes for it to boil. Then we will be adding the potatoes already. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we will be adding our potatoes. Oh, hold on. We're adding our potatoes already. This is the first veggies that we're gonna be adding because it's the hardest. And it's the hardest to cook. So I'm just gonna give it a good mix. It looks like adobo, right? But it's not. Okay. So I'm just gonna let it boil for 2 minutes. Alright, so next would be, after 2 minutes, we can already add our carrots. And our sayote. Give it a good mix. Then cover it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. By the way, I forgot to show you guys earlier. I'm gonna be adding yung corn too. Hindi ko siya napakita. But I'm gonna be adding that already. So, young corn. And then, I'm gonna be adding already the broccoli. And the cauliflower. Okay, let's just mix it. Be careful. I don't have a larger pot, so I just have to be... The only option that I have is to be careful. Alright, so it should be it looks fabulous. Well, I need to cover that already for 3 minutes, and then we can add the cabbage for the last time. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're just going to give it a bit of flip. Again, we don't want to overcook the veggie, that's why I'm shrinking the time. The approximate cooking timeline for this should only be around 20 minutes. We're gonna be adding the cabbage. Final steps. And then have it a good mix. And from here, we should be almost done already. Final step is we're gonna be putting our crab sticks already. This is optional, but I find it very tasty and special if we have this. And then we just have to cover it for 3 minutes and we should be all done. Alright, so after 3 minutes, there you go. This should be all set na. We don't want to break the crab sticks, so I'm gonna mix it on the middle. And after mixing this, let's go ahead and serve it. Wow. Hungry. Okay, so this should be done. I'm gonna be turning off the... Alright, so this is our cooked. You see that? Oh, I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and eat. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.